At long last, the Galaxy S25 Edge has arrived. The super slim flagship was first teased at Galaxy Unpacked in January, but it's now been officially revealed in a launch video posted to Samsung's YouTube channel. The Galaxy S25 Edge joins the Galaxy S25, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the wider S25 family, and it looks set to rank among the best Android phones for aesthetic value alone. Naturally, given both its name and the officially dummy unit Samsung teased at Unpacked and Mobile World Congress, we knew the Edge was going to be slim, and now we know just how thin and light the phone really is. The Galaxy S25 Edge measures just 5.8mm at its thinnest point, making it far and away the thinnest Galaxy S phone ever yet. The standard Galaxy S25 measures 7.2mm, while the S25 Ultra is a comparatively chunky 8.2mm, so the Edge really does mark a step up in terms of design. Even more impressive though is the phone's weight. The S25 Edge weighs just 163 grams, which is almost identical to the standard Galaxy S25, but here you are getting a much larger 6.7-inch AMOLED display. There's the same size screen as you'll find on the Galaxy S25 Plus, but the Edge is 14% lighter and 21% thinner than the particular model. The thinner you make a phone, the less durable it becomes, but Samsung has kitted out the S25 Edge with a slew of impressive durability specs. Like the S25 Ultra, the phone gets a titanium frame, but unlike the rest of the Galaxy's 25 line, the Edge uses Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on its rear panel. This is essentially Samsung's answer to Apple's ceramic shield on the iPhone, with ceramic crystals embedded into glass itself to improve resistance against cracks and scratches. Given its size and weight, this doesn't necessarily mean the Edge will be more durable than its siblings, but it's safe to expect comparable drop resistance across the S25 line. As for water resistance, the Edge gets an IP68 rating, and the phone is available in 3 titanium themed colors: titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black. When it comes to cameras, the Edge gets a 200MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra wide lens, and a 12MP selfie camera. The elephant in the room here is that there is no telephoto camera to speak of, which is something you will find on every other S25 model. But by equipping the Edge with the same main camera as the S25 Ultra, Samsung has ensured that its latest flagship will still be a versatile shooter, offering a 2x optical quality zoom and strong low light performance. The Edge also gets 8K video recording capabilities, and Samsung's AI-powered Pro Visual Engine is on hand to improve image quality, optimize the zoom, and provide various photo editing features. Onto performance, and the S25 Edge boosts the same chipset and RAM specs as the rest of the Galaxy S25 line. That means a 4 Galaxy version of the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 12GB of RAM, and the full suite of Galaxy AI tools. You will get audio eraser, generative edit, and now brief straight out of the box. And as we have come to expect, Samsung is committing to a market-leading 7 years of OS and security updates for the Galaxy S25 Edge. With a starting price of $1,099, the Galaxy S25 Edge is far from a cheap phone, but it's certainly an attractive proposition for those who value style and portability above all else. Are you convinced by the Edge's unique mix of style and substance? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.